Hi everyone, my name is Rainier Bognot, also known as RB Racing, and I've been racing since 2017, and I've won multiple championships and also 2 consecutive Golden Wheel Award. I started drag racing last 2017. A lot of my friends were asking me to try this brand, Tri-Ace, and at first I didn't believe it. Kasi pag ako may ginamit na ako na trusted ko, ayaw ko nang umalis. Pero nung nasubukan ko si Tri-Ace, kasi yung hinahanap kong effectivity, efficiency, nasa kanya. Yung bilis ng auto, nag-improve talaga. Bakit? Kasi nag-improve yung initial launch ko. Napakalaki ng improvement. Since I've tried a lot of tires, they are giving me around 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 60 foot. But this time around, si Tri-Ace, binigyan niya ako ng napakagandang 60 foot. So I was able to reach 2.0, 2.1 on a non-LSD transmission. Regarding 60 foot, it's basically the first 0 to 60 foot on the run. So yun yung bilis mo sa umpisa ng karera. So from that point, makikita mo na talaga kung effective ba or efficient yung gulong na ginagamit mo. So using Tri-Ace, ang laki talaga ng improvement and at the same time yung consistency ng every run. So basically, pag dito sa karera, ang kailangan talaga natin is maganda ang kapit, maganda ang traction ng tires. Using Racing King is yung trust mo nandun. So I've tried a lot of tires pero minsan they let me down dahil nga dun sa traction. Pero this time around, nakita ko yung effectivity at saka yung potential ni Tri-Ace. So I would recommend Tri-Ace to other racers. Not only the racers pero pati na rin yung mga users natin ng gulong. Why? Because it's efficient, at the same time it's effective on your daily use, on your race use. And at the same time, yung value for money mo nandito dahil nandito yung traction, nandito yung kapit, nandito yung kailangan mo on a daily basis and also on a race basis. So napakaganda talagang gamitin ni Tri-Ace. So I definitely recommend it.